What's up, friends? What are we doing tonight? Well, we're getting ready for the impending snow blizzard. So I'm gonna switch the tires over to on Beast from the summer slicks to the winter tread. Merry Christmas. Hopefully everybody gets to spend some family time with their friends and family. But yeah, we're gonna take off the 18-inch kind of highway tires, and we're gonna put on go back to the Hancooks, which are 16-inch rims that got a little bit more bitey bite. So, woohoo! There we go. Got all the tools out tonight. We got the DeWalt light, the big DeWalt impact. I'm getting some man ICs warmed up for them studs, because they're getting a little bit crusty. We got the supply of Diet Mountain Dew and a couple racks of firewood. Fired up the Jenny over there. Make sure she runs. And then we got this guy over here warming up the NICs. These halogen lights work really well for that kind of stuff. She's toasty warm. Whew. All right, here we go.